Hello students, let us find the solution of question number 2 taken from exercise number 6.5 from our 6th chapter, that is a differential equation from our mathematics 2. Okay, here we have given cos square x into dy by dx plus y is equal to tan of x. Okay, first of all we have to recognize the given differential equation, and students, we know that this equation, that is cos square x into dy by dx plus y is equal to tan of x, is the linear differential equation. Since we can represent the equation in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q, as like this. Since our standard form of the linear differential equation is dy by dx plus p, यहाँ y है तो आपको यहाँ पे y राइट करना है. Since we are differentiating y with respect to x, so we have to write y here, and right hand side, that is q. This one is our standard form of the linear differential equation. So can we transform the given differential equation in this form? Let us check. Since we have given cos square x into dy by dx plus y is equal to tan of x. ओके, तो हम ये जो गिवन इक्वेशन है, तो क्या हम इसको अपने स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में चेंज कर सकते हैं क्या? लेट अस चेक. हियर dy by dx should be alone, means the coefficient of dy by dx should be 1. dy by dx अकेला होना चाहिए, तो हमें इसको रिमूव करना है. We have to remove cos square x, so for that we have to divide by cos square x in both the sides. Okay, since in our standard form of the linear differential equation dy by dx should be alone, a अकेला होना चाहिए, means इसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 होना चाहिए, बट यहाँ पे cos square x है, so we have to change, we have to transform, we have to remove cos square x. So for this we dividing here by cos square x in both the sides, and cos square x upon cos square x is equal to 1. So we have dy by dx plus y upon cos square x is equal to tan of x into 1, and 1 upon cos square x, that is sec square of x, sec square of x. And here we have dy by dx plus y, means 1 upon cos square x, that is sec square x into y is equal to tan of x into sec square of x. So let us check this differential equation, that it is in the form of our standard form of linear differential equation or not. देखिए dy by dx प्लस यहाँ पे y है, तो यहाँ पे y है, y is written here. So the beside of y, that there is sec square x, that is function of x. ओके, तो जब यहाँ पे y है, तो यहाँ जो भी कुछ रहेगा या तो कांस्टेंट रहेगा या फंक्शन ऑफ x रहेगा. सो हियर sec square x is written, and sec square x is the function of x, means कंडीशन फुलफिल हो रहा है. तो थोड़ा राइट हैंड साइड चेक कर लेते हैं. देखो, इन राइट हैंड साइड देयर इज tan of x into sec square x written, which are functions of x also. So our condition is satisfied, means dy by dx y, यहाँ जो भी कुछ है वो x का फंक्शन या कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए, बट यहाँ पे x का फंक्शन है, दैट इज sec square x, दैट इज ओके. राइट हैंड साइड जब x का फंक्शन है तो a भी x का फंक्शन होना चाहिए था, सो tan x इंटू सेक स्क्वायर एक्स है, तो नो प्रॉब्लम, मतलब पूरा अपने स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में बन चुका है. सो हियर p इज इक्वल टू dy बाई डी एक्स y p इज इक्वल टू सेक स्क्वायर एक्स एंड q इज written as tan of x into sec square of x. Okay, next we have to find IF. उसके बाद क्या करना होता है? IF means integral factor find out करना है, and integral factor is calculated as our presentation, that is IF is equal to IF integral factor is equal to e to the power integral of p dx. p कैसा है? p is the function of x. So in IF we have to integrate p with respect to x. Okay, this one is equal to e to the power p. p means sec square x. p is sec square of x. So write sec square of x dx. तो e to the power integral of sec square x, that is tan of x. Tan of x. Okay, so this one is IF plus c. Okay, integral, that is e to the power tan of x, e to the power tan of x plus c, and since e to the power tan of x plus c, we can write it as e to the power tan of x into e to the power c, and e to the power c is a constant, so e to the power c is our integration constant or arbitrary constant, so e to the power c is also a constant, so we can write it as e to the power tan of x. Okay, only e to the power tan of x. So IF is obtained as e to the power tan of x. Okay, अब जब हमें IF मिल गया, मीन्स आफ्टर फाउंडिंग IF, that is integral factor, we have to multiplying in both the sides of our linear differential equation. Our linear differential equation is d by dx plus sec square of x, y is equal to tan of x into, okay, p is sec square tan of x into sec square x. This one is our linear differential equation. Okay, dy by dx plus sec square x y is equal to tan x into sec square x. This one is our linear differential equation. So multiplying and dividing by IF से हमें दोनों साइड मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. सो IF इज e to the power tan of x into dy by dx plus sec square x into y is equal to e to the power tan of x into tan of x multiplied by sec square x. दोनों साइड, both the sides multiplying by e to the power tan of x. And if we open this bracket, we have e to the power tan of x into dy by dx plus e to the power tan of x into sec square x into y is equal to e to the power tan of x into tan of x into sec square x. We have to represent it in the form of derivative. This expression can be written in the form of derivative. So we can write it as d by dx of e to the power tan of x into y. Okay, this expression can be written, we have to written this expression in the form of derivative. So we know that d by dx of u into v considering e to the power tan of x as a u and y as a v. So derivative of product rule, that is derivative of u into v, that is u. U means e to the power tan of x, and derivative of second function, that is v, dy by dx plus u plus v means y, and derivative of first function, that is derivative of e to the power tan x, e to the power tan x. Using chain rule, derivative of tan x is sec square x. Okay, so this expression is in the form of derivative, that is dy dx of e to the power tan of x into y is equal to e to the power tan of x into tan of x multiplied by sec square of x, sec square of x. So taking integral of both the sides with respect to x, since p is a function of x, so write integral of both the sides with respect to x, that is e to the power tan of x into y dx is equal to integration of e to the power tan of x into sec square x dx. Okay, integration of both the sides with respect to x, okay, clear? And we know that integration of derivative of e to the power tan of x into y dx is equal to, and integration of derivative, that is 1. That's ये इंटीग्रेशन डेरिवेटिव को रिमूव कर देगा, मीन्स वी हैव e to the power tan of x into y is equal to, if we assume tan of x is equal to t, if we substitute integration using substitution method, if we assume tan of x is equal to t, and right here tan of x is equal to t, then derivative of tan of x is sec square x dx is equal to dt, means tan of x becomes t and sec square x dx is equal to dt. So we have e to the power t and tan of x is equal to t, sec square x dx is equal to dt. Now we have u into v. Okay, let us solve it in another place. Okay, so we have e to the power tan x into y is equal to integral of e to the power t into t dt, as t is equal to tan of x. Okay, clear? Okay, so we have e to the power tan of x, e to the power tan of x into y is equal to integral of e to the power t into t dt, where t is tan of x. Okay, last step is written here, e to the power e power t into t. We have to use the concept of LIATE, that is exponential function, last function, that is exponential function. So e to the power t is considering as v and t is considered as u. So integral of u into v, that is u, that is t into integration of e to the power t dt minus d by dt of t into integral of e to the power dt of dt. This one is equal to t, integration of e to the power t is also e power t, minus derivative of t with respect to t is 1, and e to the power t dt is e power t dt. This one is t into e to the power t minus integration of e to the power t is e to the power t plus c. Okay, and this one is taking e to the power t as a common, we have t minus 1, t minus 1 plus c. Okay, and left hand side we have e to the power tan of x into y is equal to e to the power t. T is tan of x into tan of x minus 1 plus c. Okay, so this one is our solution, our answer of the given differential equation. Y is equal to e to the power tan x, y into e to the power tan of x is equal to e to the power tan of x minus 1 plus c. Okay, clear students? Any doubt? समझ में आ गया? Okay, please make a note. Next question number 3 is written as x plus 2y whole cube dy by dx is equal to y. First of all, we have to make it in the form of linear differential equation, as we have to make dy by dx alone, means coefficient of dy by dx should be 1. So write dy by dx is equal to y upon x plus 2y cube. Okay, so here dy by dx is equal to y upon x plus 2y cube. We cannot separate these two functions, means we have to make three terms. First is dy by dx, that is derivative term. Second term should be py, and third term that would be cube. Okay, means 3 term हमें चाहिए, the requirement of 3 terms, but there are 2 terms. We cannot separate from these 2, so we have to invert. इसे हमें invert करना पड़ेगा. So we have to invert this equation. So on inverting, we get dx upon dy is equal to x plus 2y cube upon y, and dx upon dy is equal to x upon y plus 2y cube upon y, and this is written as 1 upon y x plus 2y square. Okay, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या है, dx upon dy है. अब देखिए अपना स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या है, यहाँ पे x है तो क्या होना चाहिए, x होना चाहिए. ओके, मतलब इसे हमें बाईं तरफ, वी हैव टू ट्रांसफॉर्म दिस x एंड y. ये देखो प्योर y का फंक्शन है, दिस इज प्योर फंक्शन ऑफ y. सो वी हैव टू transform, we have to send this x upon y to the left hand side to make a standard linear differential equation. So dx upon dy minus 1 upon y into x is equal to 2y square. Now compare dx upon dy minus 1 upon y x is equal to 2y square. यहाँ पे x है तो यहाँ पे x आया है. You have to adjust x here, and 1 upon y means p. Okay, so on comparing this equation with dx upon dy plus px is equal to q. So p and q are the functions of y. p and q should be the functions of y. p और q क्या होना चाहिए, functions of y होने चाहिए. ओके, p and q are the functions of y. Okay, clear? So next find if integral factor. For integral factor, here we have p is equal to minus 1 upon y. p is equal to minus 1 upon 5. So if is equal to e to the power p dy. Since p is a function of y, so we have to integrate with respect to y. This one is equal to e to the power p minus 1 upon y dy, and this one is equal to e to the power minus 1 upon y dy. This is equal to e to the power minus log of y, and this is equal to e to the power log of y to the power minus 1, that is 1 upon y to the base e. Since n into log of m is equal to log of m to the power n. n means minus 1 into log of m, log of m to the power n, log of y to the power minus 1. So y to the power minus 1 becomes 1 upon y. So and since m to the power log of x to the base m is equal to x, so base e are equal, so we can write 1 upon m to the power log of x to the base m is equal to x. So e to the power log of 1 upon y to the base c is equal to 1 upon y. This one is equal to if, that is 1 upon y. After that, in next step we have to multiplying by if in both the sides of the linear differential equation, of the linear differential equation. Okay, so our linear differential equation is dy by dx plus minus 1 by x is equal to 2y square. Dy by dx minus 1 upon yx plus 2y square is our linear differential equation. So let us multiply by if in both the side. If is 1 upon y. So 1 upon y into dy by dx minus 1 upon y into x is equal to 1 upon y into 2y square. Into 2y square. If is 1 upon y. So we have 1 upon y into dy by dx minus 1 upon y square into x is equal to 2y. Y and y get cancelled. We have 2y. 2 into y. And we have to write it. We have to write this expression in the form of derivative. So we can write it as d by dy of 1 upon y. Okay, sorry. dy by, sorry, यहाँ पे dx upon dy था. Okay, dx upon dy. So dy by dy of 1 upon y into x. Okay, this expression should be written in the form of derivative. So we can write it as d by dy of 1 upon y into x, that is u into v. U and v. U means 1 upon y, derivative of x with respect to y is dx upon dy minus v, that is x, and derivative of 1 upon y with respect to y is minus 1 upon y square, that is plus into minus becomes minus 1 upon y square. This one is equal to 2y. Integration of both the sides with respect to y, 1 upon y into x with respect to y is equal to twice of y dy. And since integration of derivative is equal to the given function, that is x upon y is equal to 2 into y square upon 2 plus c. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Okay, we have x upon y, 1 upon y x, that is integration of derivative, that is 1 upon y into x, that is x upon y is equal to 2. Y to the power 1 is y square upon 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. We have x into x upon y is equal to y square plus c. So x is equal to y into c plus y square. Okay, so x is equal to y into c plus y square. This one is the solution of the given differential equation, that is presented in the form of linear differential equation. Okay, linear differential equation. Clear, students? Any doubt? So x is equal to y into c plus y square is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay, that is x plus 2y cube dy by dx is equal to y. Okay, please make a note.